Well, what if I told you that 2025 could be the year you never worry about money again? Sounds bold, right? But the truth is, most people will miss their shot at wealth this year. Not because they're lazy, but because they simply didn't know where to start. This video could be the most important 7 minutes of your financial life. So let's get real. Let's get wealthy. Let's begin. Act 1, the setup. Why 2025 is a rare wealth opportunity. Every few decades, the world resets how money works. In 2025, we are living right inside one of those resets. AI is exploding. Remote work is rising. Digital assets are redefining ownership. Even attention fee has become currency. But while most people panic about inflation and job loss, the quiet few are building empires from their bedrooms. You've got two choices: sit back and scroll, or start planting your wealth seeds today. So how do you build wealth now? Let's dive into 3 smart strategies. You can start this week, even if you've only got 100 rupees or just 10 bucks to your name. Act 2, the confrontation. 3 smart ways to build wealth in 2025. 1, skill stacking plus AI freelancing. Let me ask you this. What's the ROI of binge watching Netflix? Hint, it rhymes with hero. Yep, 0. Okay, bad joke, but bad finances are worse. Imagine learning a skill in 30 days that earns you 2,000 rupees an hour using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Notion AI. This is what we call skill stacking, combining 2 high-value skills for exponential results. Examples: copywriting plus ChatGPT, video editing plus automation, web design plus SEO. You don't need 100 talents, just be dangerously good at Groww, and plug in AI as your multiplier. Learn, stack, leverage, and suddenly you're not just earning money, you're buying your time back. 2, invest like a wealthy person, even if you're broke. Here's the truth. Most schools never told you. The rich don't trade time for money. They own things that make money while they sleep. And the good news? You can do this, even if you're broke. In 2025, you can start investing with 100 rupees. Apps like Groww, Zerodha, Robinhood, they've made the playing field flat. Invest in index funds for long-term growth, REITs for real estate without owning property, fractional shares of tech giants. Own a piece of the machine, don't just work for it. If your money isn't working for you while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Harsh? Yes. Real? Absolutely. So what will you own next month that future you will be proud of? 3, build a personal brand that pays forever. Let's talk about your digital identity. Because in 2025, if people can't find you online, you don't exist. And that's not just a social problem, it's a financial one. Your personal brand can unlock clients, jobs, partnerships, passive income streams. Whether it's Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, or even Medium, find your niche, share your journey, teach what you know. You don't need 1 million followers. You need a voice, a message, and a little consistency. Ever Googled yourself? If you don't show up, who will hire you? And here's the best part. Your personal brand, it scales even while you sleep. Coming up, I'll show you the secret to your first 1,000 loyal followers, even if you're shy or hate being on camera. But first, let's wrap this all up. Now, Crore, Act 3, the resolution. Your wealth starts today. Let's recap. Stack real skills and leverage AI. Start investing. Own the future. Build a personal brand that pays you forever. You're not too young, you're not too late. You're right, on time, but only if you start now and listen closely. You know what multiplies all three strategies we just discussed? Compounding. Without it, even the smartest strategies can fall flat. That's why your next move is to click the video on your screen. The power of compounding. How 1 rupee becomes 1 crore rupees. It's the missing piece of your wealth journey. Subscribe for more. Stack smart. Build bold. This is your year. Start now.